I want to make a price analysis video about Ethereum today. And it has been a while. I have made a video last time about Ethereum, and what I'm seeing right now, I don't like it, to be honest. Uh, at first, it looked like here, bear with me. This is a weekly chart, okay? At first, it looked like we were forming a beautiful head and shoulders pattern that would be bullish if we could do this. But we didn't. Instead, we went here. We broke this head line and we broke it. We went below it. So we created a lower low. And at the same time, this is a market structure break. So basically, break of structure. So from here, you might have a retest, and this zone will act as a resistance, which is a little bit sad to see. And anyway, in the long run, I think Ethereum will give away a lot of market share to coins like BNB, maybe XRP, something like Cardano, Caspa, ICP, maybe. But I don't see Ethereum being the popular kid on the block anymore. Primarily, its use case, it hasn't been evolving. It is slow and expensive. At the same time, investors grown tired of Ethereum. So right now we break structure. It's not looking good, and it is at the same time. Let me move this. Made highs, and we couldn't even reach 2021's high with so many good bullish news. With ETF being in talks, and so in 2021, this zone was the top. Right now, we couldn't even make it to there, and we came back down. And if you take a look at my 21 SMA, 21 weekly SMA, and 50 weekly SMA, they are crossing below each other. So basically, it's I would say somewhat bearish news because previously, if you look at 2021, we held 21 SMA as support for a very long time. It came back down, it got supported. Here, let me just quickly show you. Here, 21 weekly SMA, and we were holding its support. We deviated a little bit, came back down, held it as support. Yes, a little bit of below, a couple of weeks, but came back up again, hold support, came back. Then once we cross it below, you see, this candle was beginning of the bear market. As soon as we cross below 21 weekly SMA and more so 50 weekly SMA, this was your confirmation to take a short position on any coin that you see, even if it's Bitcoin. I watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin. I came to same conclusion that 2021 and this cycle are eerily similar when it comes to start of the bear market for these coins. Not all coins, because some coins are looking really strong, and I will make analysis about that too. But so far, every time we cross below these two SMAs, in fact, I would encourage you to go in your charts and input your 21 weekly and 50 weekly SMAs in your chart and watch what happens. Every time when we come in contact with it, it has a reaction. But as soon as we are below it, it is not good. And look at this one. Previously, when we deviated below, this was our bear market bottom. And right now, Ethereum price is headed that way. Since we broke structure, it's headed that way. My buy zones somewhere about 1550 to 16. Ultimately, we could even go lower, but that's a little bit. It's going to take time. It's going to take time. This is weekly because before that, I'll tell you what happens before that. We will have to fill these gaps, this fair value gaps here, here. We have to fill all of that. These sharp moves has to be recovered by the market maker. It will look something like this. It doesn't have to happen, but that's what I'm expecting. We fill these ones first, maybe even this one. I don't know, but I don't think we will go that high. We probably will fill these two, so somewhere about 2.6 to 7 max, then head back down. I don't know how many waves we'll have this, but we'll head back down eventually. Because as I mentioned, Ethereum will give back a lot of market share to BNB, XRP, a couple of other coins that are really looking better. So, and yeah, I'm not liking this, guys. I'm not liking it because of this M pattern. Right now, it looks like an M pattern that has not failed so far. It's playing out. It could do like this. It could do that. And yeah, M pattern are opposite of W pattern, which is a bullish pattern. This one is very bearish. It doesn't look good. Anything can happen, but I would encourage you to be cautious so you can save some money for yourselves. Plus, this is a huge resistance zone which we couldn't tap, and we failed. Yeah, there's a lot of money to be made in the middle here, somewhere in this area, in this zone. This can be a huge range if you are a range trader, but I don't want to buy something on a spot wallet and hold, knowing that it could fail, because there are a lot of other coins showing strength, which I will make another video about it. But at this moment, Ethereum, short-term trades in and out in the 1 hourly and the 4 hourly, yes, they look good. Here we have a we have a this is 4 hourly, and we have trade in our hands, which easily we can do counter trade. We can use the SMAs as a support and resistance zones. Every time when we touch 50 SMA on the 4 hourly, that could be your short zone, because you see every time when we touch or slightly went above the 50 SMA, we were pushed down. Since the trend is down, any move that you see like this, let's say moves like this, will be corrective moves. We need sharp move up. We need sharp. We need impulsive move. We don't need corrective moves. If it's corrective, it will fail. It needs impulsive moves. So if you don't see impulse, if you're just seeing corrective moves like this, these patterns are all bearish, and I would not long them. I would only look for shorts. See, if this pattern plays out, this is like a mini bear flag and bear flag after bear flag. So yeah, stay safe out there. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.